Two-thirds of the Netherlands should be completely underwater right now. But somehow, 17 million people live here. So how is this even possible? The answer will blow your mind. This is the incredible story of how the Dutch conquered the sea. Let me show you the problem. 26% of the Netherlands is below sea level. Amsterdam's airport sits 11 feet below sea level. Rotterdam, Europe's largest port, is 22 feet below sea level. Without protection, these areas would be permanent lakes. For centuries, the Dutch have been fighting this battle. It started with windmills in the 1400s. These weren't just for grinding grain. They pumped water from flooded land into rivers and canals. This created polders, areas of reclaimed land. They built massive dikes to hold back the sea. Over 600 years, they created an entire province from the sea. Flevoland, home to 400,000 people, didn't exist before 1950. But their greatest achievement is the Delta Works. These movable barriers can close in just 75 minutes. They protect against once-in-10, 000-year floods. Modern pumping stations move billions of gallons daily. They're powered by renewable energy and computer-controlled. The entire system includes 17,000 kilometers of dikes and 3,500 pumping stations. Today, the Netherlands is safer from flooding than most coastal cities worldwide, and they're sharing this knowledge with the world, because when it comes to living with water, the Dutch wrote the book.